Good morning, student. Welcome in class 7. Today I will start chapter number 1, Windows 7 Advanced Features. Before that, welcome to Vidyaniketan English Medium School, Rajaramnagar. In the previous video, I told some information about computer. That means basic instruction of computer, classification of computer, classification of hardware, classification of software, and some information about the different type of parts. Today I will start the chapter number 1, Windows 7 Advanced Features. Windows 7 means what? Many students understood Windows 7 is a one type of a operating system. Windows 7 is one type of operating system. Well, an operating system, in short OS, is the most important system software. The three main functions of OS are management of input and output device, management of memory allocation, and storage of files. You will find different versions of OS available in the market. A few of them are Windows, Linux, Mac OS, etc. Windows 7, developed by Microsoft, is one of the examples of personal computer operating system. Now we'll see the some operating system: MS-DOS, Windows 95, Windows 98, ME, NT, 2000, XP, Vista, and Windows 7 and 8, and latest Windows 10 also. These are the all different type of operating system available in our computer. In this lesson, let us learn about some advanced features about Windows 7. I will start the first point. That first point name is file name extension. File name extensions means what? The file will identify with the help of file color, file symbol, and file extensions. With the help of three things, it is possible to identify the which type of file present in our computer or in our folder. Okay, now see, one picture is there: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Publishers, Access. These are the different file will understand with help of color and symbol. .docx Word document, .xls Excel workbook, .pptx PowerPoint presentation. With help of this extension, it is possible to identify the file. File extension also gave here: common file extension, multimedia file extensions, and system file extensions. With the help of that extension, it is possible to identify which type of file available in our computer. Now, internet file also having the extensions .html, .css, and .js means JavaScript. These are the different type of extensions. Now New point. Next point, there are two type of mode available in our computer: sleep mode and hibernate mode. Sleep mode. Sleep mode allows the computer to store the current status of your work, such as document, application, file, and setting in the RAM, and stop all the remaining actions in the computer. Now see, when we'll click on the start button, that sleep mode options will appear. This mode save a lot of energy. It used to be called standby mode in the various versions of the Windows. If you resume work on the computer from the sleep mode. Sleep mode is very useful if you want to stop working for the short period of a time. Now, next point we will see the hibernate mode. The hibernate mode allows the computer to store the current status of our work on the hard disk and then shut itself down. With this mode, the computer will take a little longer to resume the working because of the storage content has to be located from the hard disk. To put your computer in a hibernate mode, you have to click start button, move the mouse over the shutdown option and click on the hibernate mode. These two mode is very important part in our computer: sleep mode and hibernate mode. With the help of this mode, will save the power. Thank you very much. Next remaining part I will take in the next video. Thank you very much.